I look crusty.
Where you I will be
I'm stupid. Okay. So also my video is going to be a lot shorter than the other twos because I only had 3 days to film because I was gone on a trip, as you probably know from my community posts. So yeah, mine's a really short, but I tried. Hey guys, so like usual, I did a dumb thing and forgot to film an intro. I'm also going to be walking around because I want to. Kerflop. Anyway, so this video is going to be different. It's not a gacha video, it's not a cosplay video, it's a video of me meeting one of my friends, who is someone I've only known on the internet. I'm also gonna see my other friend, but I go to dance with her, so it's not exactly as emotional, but it's still fun. So I have known her for like 2 months. My other friend has known her for 2 years, but we've never actually met each other. So, you know, I met them already. So I'm still wearing my outfit and my jacket and my, yeah. But, you're gonna see clips and pictures and just stuff, probably a couple TikToks I filmed, most likely. I'm cleaning right now, so, yeah, this is probably gonna go out tomorrow. I mean, it's only 6:30, but this is probably gonna go out tomorrow, not today. But knowing me, it might go out at like midnight today, because I always film late. It's interesting. Also, I'm using a weird filming program that my friend recommended to me, because it involves, like, this. Also, this is going to have a different intro. It's not my intro, but I made it, if that makes sense. I don't know. Anyway, just enjoy the pictures and yeah, bye.
Deku's what Kachan calls me to make fun of me.
That sounds sportsmanlike.
Oh, I didn't realize that. I'm sorry. You know what? I like Deku. It could make a great hero name. Plus, I think it sounds kinda cute.
Deku it is!
Just like that? Weren't you saying that it was...
I should have worn my hip-hop pants. She should have told me she was wearing them. Okay, we're one. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Scared the crap out of me. We were actually gonna do